Hi. Oh no, this is not the basket. Hey.
Nana, when the time comes, Olamma's fate be worse than that Uragu maiden. That one that came here to challenge me. My eyes are everywhere. I see her. As you know, Okunaga 1-1. Enwanya na afukwa 1-1 keneso ya. 2 times, she has gone to sleep with that her hooligan lover, while she's serving you, her own husband.
A very shameless and useless harlot.
Oh, yeah.
She's now acting all good, trying to be nice.
To who?
As though she's a good person. Simply because that her useless and good-for-nothing lover has used and dumped her. She has now returned back to me, trying to show me love.
So that you carry the used one.
This is a maiden I married with my own money.
Hard-earned money.
Ah!
We'll pay her back. We will pay her very well. For all the insults and humiliation before the marriage ceremony, during the marriage ceremony, until this day. Nobody insults and humiliates the son of Mbafe Belebe and goes scot-free. She will pay with her life.
I hate her. I hate her so much. But I will continue acting calm, as though nothing has happened, until she gives us a child. Hopefully a son. When she does that, we should deal with her.
What I would do to Olamma, she will not see the sky for many seasons. I will strike her with a bandidem. She will be bedridden for the rest of her life. She will not see the sky. And I'll bring Odumodo to pronounce that sickness befell her because of her infidelity. And her parents will cover their faces in shame. They'll be so ashamed of her and they will reject her.
I am so proud of you.
I'm your mother.
This will make me very happy. Then I will take another maiden as my wife.
Of course!
Who will truly love me and take care of me.
I have so many beautiful maidens. Homemade beautiful maidens. Homemade.
Did that useless Ogbanje prepare anything to eat? I am hungry.
Don't worry. I'm here. I am your mother. Let me quickly get you something to eat.
Easy. Take me. My mama Muke. Where are you up to? I'm going to meet that merchant that deals with traditional attires.
Yeah. So you are serious about this Dike's visit?
Yes, so I am very serious. Dike is coming in the next Nkwo market day. He's very serious, so.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hey, but what about Ejofo?
Ibiakwana, Kenke we Ejofo now.
Is Ejofo not a human being?
Ejofo is there. You don't know what happened.
What happened?
Dike almost killed him the other day.
Why?
That one that behaves like goats. He was dragging me on the road. Dike now saw us and was asking him to leave. He refused. Dike beat him like a goat that he is. I was even the one that begged him not to kill him. I was the one that begged on his behalf. Yes. Yes. I was the one that begged on his behalf. A foolish boy.
Manene, this age of 4 really loves and cares for you.
Nkechi, stop it. What is it? Mana na hapu ebe a na-eche ọzọ gawa ebe a na-arụ agwụ achọkwa m ya. Ka m na-ekwu okwu maka Dike ị na-akọrọ m stupid ejiofor.
Ndo. Anyways, I'm happy for you.
Hey, that's what I want to hear. Should be happy for me. Your friend is getting married. You're talking about Ejiko afa mmadụ ka afọ ewu. Kama achọkwa na ga-achọ that day.
I'll be there. Fan direct.
Let me not look for you, Nkechi.
I will be there. Don't forget to keep Utara for me.
Don't worry. Ma bacha, ihe obula eche ị ga-eri, no?
Nsogbu adịrọ.
Mana abịakwala late.
Aga m abịa ọsịsọ. Ngwa ka ọ dịba.
You are awake?
Yes, I am. Have you seen Olamma?
No, I've not seen her. I thought you were together. You went in together last night?
I have been searching for her. I thought she was with you.
No, she's not with me. I have not set my eyes on her this morning. I've not seen her.
Or did you send her somewhere?
How could I possibly send her somewhere? Someone I have not seen this morning. I did not see her, so I did not send her anywhere. What is going on?
Hold on, I am coming.
What is going on? What is it?
Her bag is gone.
How?
Her jewelries, all her personal belongings, everything that belongs to her, is not in the hut.
Did you people have any quarrel?
No, nothing.
So did you argue? Did you scold her? Did you tell her something she did not like?
We had a peaceful couple night until this morning. The way that hut is scattered, it seems as though she packed her things in a hurry. I don't understand.
No. I cannot understand this. What is going on? What happened? Hey.
What do we do?
We have to quickly confirm if she's safe. And then go find out if she went back to her father's hut or she went another lover.
Okay, or do I go to Anedo and ask her?
No. You cannot even think about it. You cannot go there directly. I'll have to find someone to sniff around to find out if she came back to their hut. I don't want to keep the necessary tension there. If you go there now, they'll begin to suspect something.
Olamma must be brought back to this home because I cannot be beaten twice by a mermaid.
Never.
How?
Never. She cannot defeat us. Not in this life. Just keep your eyes open, your ears open, and back soon. Just be careful.
Okay. Hey! Olamma.
Olamma. No. Where are you coming from? Carrying your bag?
From Anocha.
You're coming from Anocha? Carrying your bag and sneaking from the back? What is going on?
Father, Nam.
I am asking you a question. You're just staring at me. What happened?
Nam, I no longer want to remain married to Nana.
What? What happened? Did he beat you up? Olamma, talk to me. Now talk to your father. I'm asking you, what happened? Why are you back with your bag?
Nam, I cannot stand here and have this discussion with you. Please, I want to go in and drop my bag. Kanzoike. Biko.
Biko Nanya. Olamma, I married you off to a good man and you have been living peacefully. Suddenly you come back here with your bag and looking so anxious. And I'm asking you what happened. And you are telling me, hey, you want to go inside. Olamma, when did you start to disrespect me? When?
Father, I am not disrespecting you.
What are you doing right now? What is it you're doing?
Biko, let me go in and drop my bag. I need to rest first.
Udenta, what do you make of this?
I am not surprised.
What do you mean you are not surprised?
You see, some time ago, I came here to tell you something. But since you were not at home, I told your wife. Now, that is exactly what is manifesting.
What are you talking about? What is it that is manifesting? Why are you speaking in parables?
Somebody told me that Olamma visited Dike 3 market weeks ago, then rushed back to Anocha. She did not know that she was seen by somebody.
This my Olamma visited this community.
I told your wife, but she said, please do not tell my husband. So I did not tell you.
And you agreed? No, Udenta. You agreed with my wife not to tell me. That means you conspired with my wife to rub mud on my face.
Madoka.
Udenta, why? Udenta, how could you? Hey! Udenta, how could you deny me such important information? How could you?
Madoka, it is not what you think. Listen, when I told your wife, she said she will go and investigate. In fact, she even promised to go to Anocha to confront your daughter and find out the truth from her. So I've been waiting for the result of the investigation.
No, you have seen it. No, you have seen the result of the investigation. You have seen it. My daughter just came back. From nowhere. A daughter you participated in getting her married. Udenta, I am disappointed, let me tell you. I did not expect this from you. So that means I have been living with enemies. Enemy inside my house and enemy beside me. That is Gongwa. Écoute-us. Hi, écoute-us. Écoute-us. Écoute-us.
Wait.
Udenta, give way. Give way. I am ending this nonsense today. Since my own daughter cannot explain to me why she left her husband's house, that hooligan called Dike, he must explain it today.
But you did not give her a chance to explain, did you? You were not shouting at her.
Udenta, stop supporting bad behavior. Stop supporting bad behavior, okay, Udenta? Stop it, it's not good. You are an elder. Listen to me. Since that Dike came into my household, I can no longer recognize my daughter. My own daughter. You saw how she disrespected me here. You witnessed it yourself. And you're asking me to take it easy. Take what easy? I am ending all that nonsense now.
But listen, we have to be careful. Yes, we have to be very, very careful so that we do not create more problems, even bigger problems, trying to solve one.
Udenta, you know me very well. You know me. I will not create a problem that I cannot solve. Give way. If you're not going with me, you stay back. I am equal to the task. Hey! Dike! Stop there. Hey, Nai. Who is Nai? Who is your father? Huh? Who is your father? If you don't tell me what you're doing with my daughter, I'll cut your 2 legs right now.
I don't understand. What happened?
I ask you again. What are you doing with my daughter behind my back? A married woman. Huh?
I am not doing anything with your daughter.
Look at this lying buffoon. So you do not know that we know that Olamma has been visiting you from her husband's house. Eh? A married woman. Don't you know it's an abomination?
No, she only came here once, and I wasn't the one who...
Look at it. Now you have made her leave her husband's house and go back to her father's house. What do you intend to do with her? Now, what are your plans?
Did you say Olamma left her marriage? And where is she now?
Look at this girl. We are asking you very important questions and you are adding insult to injury. Look at him.
Bia, Dike, or whatever is your name. It seems you do not know the seriousness of what you have done. Do you know if I report this matter to the Igwe, you will be banished from this land? Are you aware?
The use of this village will first of all beat you up mercilessly and then chase you into the evil forest for tampering with another man's wife.
I am ready to receive any punishment for the love I have for Olamma.
Look at him. Big for nothing. If I hear my daughter's name in your mouth again, this machete will land on your head. When you make it?
I'm sorry.
Now let's go.
Very sorry. Please, my regards to Olamma. Tell her that I will see her very soon.
I will see her very soon. If I see your miserable leg in my compound, I'm I will strike with that.
Tell Olamma I will see her very soon.
Look at this.
If I meet today and I cut your two legs with this knife. I'm not here.
No, come and see Olamma. Come and see her. Come and see her.
We did not do anything to her. No fight, no quarrel. We just woke up one morning and she was gone. It was from my contact I found out that she went back to her father's hut. That was insulting. A maiden I pampered even more than my own child, abandoning her marriage and walking away? No, who does that?
Don't feel too bad yet. It is not easy for a woman to settle in a new home. She may have her own side of the story. Let's wait for her.
What other side of the story? I just told you exactly what happened. And you're saying, let's hear her and hear the other side of the story. Which responsible married woman will just wake up one morning and leave her husband's house? Abandon her husband's house back to her father's hut?
But our people do not judge a case based on one party's position.
It's shame to say there is no case here. There is no case at all. The reason we called you is this. We want you to lead us to her father's compound and bring her back to our compound where she belongs.
Oh.
It doesn't work that way. She's somebody's child. The best thing for you to do is to go with maybe one of your friends to her father's compound and hear her own version of the story.
We have confirmed everything. That is why we called you. We have confirmed it.
But it's not official yet. All you need to do is to get a keg of palm wine and a gift. Then you go with your friends, maybe one or two of your friends. Then hear her out and promise her that such will not happen again.
Yeah. We did nothing wrong to her. When my mother was talking, if you listen carefully, she mentioned that she pampers her more than me. We have done nothing wrong to her. She just woke up and left just like that.
Just like that?
You never can tell, Unana. You remember my wife, Adana. When I married her, she ran away. Everybody was looking for her, not knowing she ran to her maternal home. Until I got there, I heard the outside of the story, not knowing she had a secret misunderstanding with my own sister. So we settled it, and today she is back to her home with 5 children, and she is happy. Happy now, today, yes, she's happy.
Ichi busy. We heard everything you said.
Thank you.
And we shall do accordingly and get back to you.
Thank you very much. I think I have to go to age grade meeting. I will see you.
It's all right. Thank you. Weak man. He is a weak man. Always justifying foolishness and asking for necessary peace. Did you hear the way he is talking? Were you, like, did they convince you? How? That is the way he talks. If we take him there, will he be able to defend us? Would the people even hear him? Did he make one sense?
Aye.
Which man talks like that and still remains a man?
We just wasted our time.
More than wasting the time. That his Hadanna were left. He was having... Why wouldn't the wife have a secret problem when he cannot even defend himself? How would he defend his own wife?
I am just angry that we invited a very useless Ichi. This marriage, we wanted to call it a quit on that day.
Yes.
He was the one who was pushing us, persuading us. Now look at it.
You need to marry her. She's a good girl. She's a good maiden. Her family is good. Now, you need to go and call the whole world to go and hear her own version of the story. We're trying to cover her. Only again her version of the story. Listen, do not mind. Do not mind in the beze. We are going to go and bring your wife back. Olamma will come back. Are you not man enough?
Of course I am.
Were you not the person that married her?
Yes, I did.
Did you marry her and share her to do Mona?
How?
She's answerable to you. Therefore, Olamma must come back here at once as your wife. Leave with shame the business. Did he help himself? Now she's in her home with 5 children. Maybe she came with the 5 children back from her maternal home. And
You have made so much sense. I have not done anything wrong to Olamma. Neither has my mother. As a matter of fact, she has been the one maltreating me, disrespecting me, insulting me. I have never enjoyed this marriage since we got married. Yet, I did not complain because of the love I have for her as my wife. Not until recent, when she apologized and changed from her bad behaviors to good behaviors. And we were all celebrating. My mother was very happy. I was very happy as well.
you know me.
Yes. Then one morning we woke up and Olamma was nowhere to be found. Just like that.
She was gone.
We searched everywhere. Okay, all of this has happened. We still bear no grudges. The reason we came to you people is this. We want to take her back home where she belongs as my wife. That is why we are here.
Of course. My in-laws, my son has said everything that needs to be said. We are not here to do any case. We are peaceful people. We don't make trouble. We have come to take my daughter-in-law, my son's wife, back to our house. But maybe there's something my beautiful daughter-in-law does not like. She can freely say it here so that we can all settle it. We'll take her home as usual, the way it should be. The day is fast spent. You can see it's about to rain. We are wasting much time.
So you have come to take me with you? To fulfill your evil plans? What an evil mother and son. Ha!
Olamma, what are you talking about? What evil plans were?
Olamma.
I heard everything. The day you sent me on an errand to deliver a basket of yam to your friend. On my way, I realized I carried the wrong basket. So I hurried back to the hut, only for me to hear you people discussing on how you want to enslave and torment me. And your mother gladly applauded you for being just as evil as she is. Evil man!
What? Is it Madoka? Can you hear your daughter? Are you listening to your daughter's wicked fabrication? Eh? What is she talking about?
My in-law. My in-law.
Yes?
Stop interrupting my daughter. Stop interrupting my daughter. For your information, she has already told us why she left your house. Yes. So now that you're here, you better listen so that you confirm or deny her story.
Exactly. If you keep interrupting her, we are going to conclude that you have something to hide. Olamma, fire on.
Darling, you were waiting for me to get pregnant and bear you a son before you take your revenge on me. You said you will never forgive me for the perceived offenses. Isn't it? And your wicked mother here also said that she's going to strike me with Obandide illness. Am I lying? Do you also want to deny this one?
Also,
Deny it!
wait. Obandide.
Hey.
That is Akuku.
Nkojoya.
Hey! Alakupulotele. You.
My own daughter. My own daughter.
Nam. Now I understand what the madwoman said. Nam, do you know that Nana here has been married twice before? And his wicked mother frustrated those maidens and chased them away with her evil. Nana, have you ever wondered how your father died and what killed him?
Enough! Olamma, enough! I will not sit here and watch you insult me. If you do not want the marriage, fine. You can stay back in your father's house and stop ranting.
Mbao, don't you care to know the reason I left your home? Don't you want to know?
I do not need you to say more. You can keep it. Had I not known that this girl is an Obanje.
My daughter is not an Obanje. Let us concentrate on what brought us here and stop calling her names.
There's nothing to settle. Let us go.
Nne, but what about the bride price?
They can keep it. We do not need it. Why didn't I know that this girl is a bad luck, evil child?
Hey! My dear, you saw hell. You saw hell in this woman's...
Imagine. Obandide. That is Akuku Koche. Look, my baby. Madam baby. Ibruna Mari. Stop to the fantasies. Idiot. No, come and give her Obandide. Don't worry. Okwanda. Hey.
I am tired. This marriage started with humiliation and has ended with even more humiliation. Look at me, Nne. I have been embarrassed.
We will find a better wife. We will find a better wife. Is she more beautiful than all the maidens in this kingdom? Do not worry about it. You know, going forward, if anyone should ask you about Olamma, tell the person we rejected her because we discovered that she's an Obanje and we sent her home. Do you understand?
Yes, Nne.
We rejected her. Hey! My stomach.
What is it?
It is not good for me. It's like I've been poisoned.
No, nothing will happen to you, oh? Sorry.
I saw your mother from far. Where did she go to?
Listen, Ajeru, I do not have time for this, your madness. Leave me alone.
Like mother, like son. Where are all these evil people coming from? I saw the girl the day she was running. But who will not run from a witch and a wizard?
Leave my presence immediately before I shoot you with a stick.
I am not standing on your way. This path
is for the human beings, for the spirits. I belong to humans and the spirit. I can walk, stand, and even sleep on it. Let me ask you, are you a son or a servant? Did she tell you the court she belongs to? She belongs to Ajubosi, women's court. They control their sons and their sons' wives. Did she even tell you why and how she killed her husband? Did she tell you how she killed her husband? Did she tell you how she killed her husband?
Onyala! Get away from there! Do not mind her. She's an evil woman. It is her atrocity that made her mad. Now she wants everybody to be mad with her. To be mad alongside with her. Does it make sense? Because let's go. We don't have all the time. Let's go. You did not touch your food.
I am not hungry.
You're not hungry. This is something you have been saying since yesterday we came back from Manedo. Did they do something evil to you? Apart from the cola, the abacha we ate there, did you eat any other thing there?
No. What that madwoman Ajero told me yesterday really touched me.
What a madwoman told you really touched you. I hope Ajero did not bite and transfer her madness to you.
Nothing happened to me.
Why are you talking as if you're in a dream? Are you a child or what?
You have made me so lonely. I am so lonely. Look at me. No father. No siblings. Not even a wife. Why? Why?
Nana, what kind of childish and stupid question is this? Was it my fault that you do not have other siblings? Was it not what your father gave me that I produced?
You killed my father. You killed him so he could not get another woman and bear more children for him. You told me this by yourself. Remember? Do you remember?
Nana, are you the one saying this to me?
Yes, I am the one saying this to you. I am the one. This is the third wife you are chasing away. Do you want me to die alone? No. Olamma is intelligent. She's hardworking. She's beautiful.
Shut up!
I will not shut up. I won't. Enough! Enough of all this! You have taken everything from me. You have taken everything that I own, my soul, my life, my decision making. Enough is enough. I won't take it anymore from you.
So you have grown wings to stand before me, to challenge me because of one stupid maiden that do not amount to anything. No problem. We shall see.
There is nothing to see, Imne. There is nothing more to see because I have seen everything from you. I have seen how evil and demonic you are. You are so greedy and selfish. There is nothing more to see from you anymore. Enough! You have controlled my entire existence for your selfish and greedy reasons. You even want to control the breath I take. Today and now I say enough is enough.
So, you want me to leave you alone?
Yes, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stay away from my life.
Olamma, take this, go to Zoma's house and get me bitter leaf for soup.
Nay, I've never disrespected you, and I wish not to. Kindly send Dike now to get the bitter leaves for you. I feel so ashamed of myself. I don't want to go to anywhere.
Hey. Ikenna has gone to fetch firewood. Nne, listen. You have not done anything to be ashamed of. It has been 1 market week since you came back, and you have refused to step your feet outside this compound. You are sad every moment of the day, and you are also making us sad.
I don't understand life anymore. I lost the only man I loved to my friend. And the one I was trying to love betrayed me. I am not happy. I am not happy. I don't even know the direction my life is taking.
Nne, you should be thankful to the gods that you were able to discover the evil plan of Mbafo and her son instead of lamenting. Your mates are not all married, are they?
And they were never married and returned to their father's hut.
Nemo, stop thinking like that. Some worthy-looking men out there will happily have you as their wife. But that will not happen because you are always in the hut. Achalugum, Jebenzili, oh, go, oh, Omalicha, oh, Yirineya, oh, Kunya, oh, 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 my beautiful daughter. Hey. Hurry up and come back, oh, Omalicham. Achalugum, elelebe jolum, chai. Hey.
I was even planning to come to your father's hut to see you because of all the things I have been hearing.
Things like what?
A lot of things. Some people said you were chased out because you are an Obanje. Some said it's because you could not get pregnant. But I know it's all lies. I believe you. I know what you can do.
My dear friend, I tell you, it's all lies. Do not pay attention to those cheap gossips. I left because I discovered my mother-in-law and her son wants to do something harmful to me. I had to run for my dear life. The worst part is that this woman is controlling her son.
You did well, my sister. It's better to be alive in your father's hut than to be dead in one useless husband's hut.
Exactly my point, in Nemo. Hey, Biko, tell me, what is happening in this Anedu? You always have something to say.
Many things is happening, Isioma, our friend, is getting married to Dike.
Isioma. I know. But I never knew she's this test spirit. Yeah. So they are going ahead?
Yes. They have done her introduction. But Isioma has packed her things to go and live with Dike, even without him paying the dowry. She's so desperate.
My dear friend, do not worry yourself. For if the gods has approved their union, who are we to disapprove? Let's just forget about them and focus on other things. Oh, where are you up to?
I'm heading to Mazi Okeke's house to deliver a message for my mother.
Okay, Omaka. I want to get some bitter leaf for my mother too.
I would have escorted you, but I need to hurry up.
It's okay. Oh, Jisike.
Okay.
You think I don't know
Know what?
that you've left that miserable marriage of yours?
Leave me alone, Dike. Leave me.
My love, I've been monitoring you. I come all the way to Anyocha village just to have a glimpse of you.
Lies. I also have been monitoring you. You are now married to Isioma, my friend. And she lives with you as your wife. Stay away from me, Dike. Stay put to your wife, to that thing you call a wife. Stay away from me.
My love, let's go to my house. Let me show you something.
I will go nowhere with you. I am not going anywhere with you, Dike. Leave me alone. Ah! Dike! Dike, bring me down. Dike, I will. Dike, leave me alone.
Bravo. Hey, opa. Ela cosa. Adego. Opa, look at that.
Nah, there is problem.
What problem?
Nai, I sent Olamma to get me bitter leaves from Uzoma's house. Long ago, I waited and waited. I didn't see Olamma. I went out only to see my basket by the roadside. I went to Uzoma's house. Uzoma said she never saw my daughter.
So, what do you mean by this? That my daughter is missing or what? Did you ask people on the way?
Yes, Nai, and nobody saw her.
Since Olamma came back from Anocha, she has not been herself. She has become strange and her behavior has become strange and worrisome. What is going on?
I hope Mbafu and her daughter have not done anything to my daughter.
I don't know anything about that, but all I am sure about is since that so-called warrior, Dike, since he barged into my daughter's wedding ceremony, my daughter has not been the same person. Her character has changed.
Nai, I had a dream last night about some strange-looking, dangerous men kidnapping my daughter. And we tried to help her. She started laughing and asked us not to worry.
What type of dream is that?
Nai, I don't know. I just want my daughter back.
To help her, and she started laughing.
How do we locate her? I'm very worried. Hey, Mamo.
Wait for me.
Olamma, you again? You left your husband's hut to my own husband's hut to do what? What kind of a bad behavior is this?
Shut up! You imposter.
Dike.
Osim Dike, shut up. Dike Obogu. Osim Dike. You forced that useless introduction on me. And you know I never loved you. You know it. Before I left this house, I asked you to leave and never to come back. So what are you still doing here?
I should be asking you that. What is she doing here? Is this her husband's house? What are you doing with another man's wife in your hut when your own wife is here?
Never! You are not my wife! You are not. Did you hear me?
You came to my parents' home to ask for my hand in marriage. And now you're doing this. You want to push me away.
Introduction is not marriage. I was never interested in getting married to you. You pushed me to that introduction. So, you have an excuse to come live with me. But sorry, it's all over.
Sisialo. It's Sisialo. You're not serious. I'm not leaving this place.
I am serious. I am serious. Because I have brought home the woman after my heart for her to take her proper place. Because of her, I refused going for many more battles. Because of her, I've lost friends, but I don't care. Because of her, I've been embarrassed before the people of Anedo community, but I still don't care. But do you know what? Leave this place now before I throw you out. Now!
Dike, you chased Ejiofor away. Someone who was willing to marry me, and now you want to push me away.
Lie! It's Womoge. Nobody chased anybody away. You were being molested by a young man in the bush, and I intervened. That has been my nature. And it has nothing to do with love or marriage. You've been the one throwing yourself at me. I tolerated it because I don't know what to do. But the woman after my heart has come to occupy her space. So you have to leave. Go take your things and leave this place.
You're the cause of all this. You're the cause of all this rubbish. Why can't you stay in your husband's house?
Take your
What
things
is wrong with you?
and leave this place. Leave this place.
My love is you that I need in Obimu. Olamma wanyoma, nanigi wobima. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, Olamma, ichibwa bigi love omo. Olamma, ichibwa bigi love omo. Olamma, yakute muso, onyoma nibu love omo. Together, baby, mommy.
Yeah, get on in there. Who is here? Who is here? Dike?
Dike!
Is there nobody? Yeah.
Is my daughter Olamma here? We sent her on an errand since morning, and she's yet to return.
Olamma is inside sleeping. And she asked me not to wake her up until she's done.
What? My daughter sleeping in your house? Oh, so this has been your plan all along. That is why you were asking me the other day where my daughter was. So this was your plan, eh?
No, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Keep quiet there. Keep quiet there. Explain what? Explain what exactly? You kidnapped my daughter and you have the guts to be saying you will explain. Eh? You kidnap somebody's daughter and then you want to explain why you kidnapped the person. Listen, I have been soft on you all this while for the sake of my daughter. But now you have taken me for granted. Right now, I'm taking your case to the Igwe and you're going to suffer the consequences.
Nai, it's not what you think or the way you're thinking it.
It is exactly what I'm thinking. You kidnapped my daughter. You were asking me the other day, hey, where is he? Oh, she came back. Now you went behind me to kidnap my daughter. Yeah? Olamma.
No.
What are you doing here? And we're looking for you all over the place. What?
No, I am sorry. I know I've overstayed. But please don't be angry. It's not Dike's fault.
Also?
Do not blame him. Nam, we actually have a plan of coming to see you.
Planning to come and see me for us? How? For what?
No, we were planning.
Nam, this is where I belong. This is where I found my happiness. Name. This is where I will be happy for the rest of my life. Please do not deny me of this happiness. Pico.
So what have you said? What have you said? Is that the reason why you left the errand and came to stay in a man's house? Like an untrained child? Is that how we trained you?
Nine, it's not what you think. I am actually planning to come with my kinsmen and complete the marriage rites. And make Olamma my wife. Please, I do not want what happened before to happen again. Biko, eweniwe.
You say you want to do what? Can I hear you again?
I want to come with my kinsmen and complete the marriage rite. Biko.
Now you're talking. This is what you should have said all along. But I hope it will not be like before. That you come and then you run away again to whatever battle that we did not send you.
Mbanai, it will not be like before. Even if I'm going to fight again, I will fight for Olamma.
It's okay. It's okay. Olamma, I have had him. Let us go. When he is ready, he will come. Then I will know he is actually ready. For now, let us go. Let's go to the house. Let us go, Olamma. What? Naga. Okay, uche with the choir.
Na uche.
Uche with the choir. Here, tell me here, better than Bogari Bekwazo.
Oma mezi. Oma mezi. It's a promise from Dike.
Oh my God.
Okay. Dalo 9.
Hey! Hey!
Who are you? You want to try Dike, then no mercy for you. Abuna makolama, it's your love for more. Onye kibuzi, imama kaniru. Onye kibuzi, inarumo kema. Opima donye mbu, umajelo kumelie. Umadasa, jidodo mdobwe. Mubu Dike mbaje joko melie. The mighty, Dike, Dike,